Are you ready for the biggest drops? Here are the top hidden offers live on Flipkart right now. Stick around to see them all. Get ready for the Realme Techlife 20,000 mAh high-capacity power bank featuring 45W fast charging in SuperVOOC technology. Coming soon. Upgrade your home theater with Billion Thunder 500W, 600W, and 700W soundbars featuring 5.1-channel Dolby Audio. Get yours starting from just Rs 6,499. Pre-order the all-new Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and Ultra 2 starting at just Rs 37,999. Secure yours today. Upgrade your gaming setup with the OMNI Plus Smart Console. Experience premium gaming on all your screens with our live sale happening now. Upgrade your workspace with sleek and stylish ASUS AIO PCs during Flipkart's ASUS AIO days from 25th to July 29th. Get yours starting at just Rs 4666 per month with up to 12 months no-cost EMI. The new Titan Smart Zeal 2.0 is finally here. Get yours now during the live sale, launching at just Rs 4,499. Upgrade your personal care routine with Philips Groomings, featuring trimmers, hair dryers, and more, starting from just Rs 649. Upgrade your setup with LG Ultrafine Display Full HD monitors featuring up to 200Hz refresh rate and built-in speakers. Grab yours starting from just Rs 4,999 today. Celebrate freedom with the tech you love during the Freedom Sale, sponsored by Intel Core Ultra. Get early access starting August 7th, and main sale starting August 8th on laptops, tablets, headphones, and printers. Experience the ultimate sound with the all-new Moto Pad 70 Groove, India's first tablet with 9 JBL speakers. Grab yours starting from just Rs 32,999 during the sale starting on August 7th, exclusively on Flipkart. Find all the links in the description below. Subscribe for more deals.